Rob, let me start with you because KKR, a $700 billion plus platform, very diverse in its assets. Why bring on Arctos?
Yeah, well, Dani, first, thanks for having us this afternoon. Ian, awesome to be here with you. You know, anytime we look at strategic M&A, Dani, we're going to have a really high bar, as you can imagine. And for us, there's really three attributes that we look at. In a lot of ways, non-negotiables. Let me take you through them quickly. Number one, need to be really big addressable markets that move the needle for us, and we got to believe we can be world-class. Let's look at Arctos. In the sports business, big asset class in its own right today, growing at double-digit rates. Arctos is by far the world leader. Second part of the business, GP Solutions, about providing liquidity and growth capital to other alternative asset managers. Arctos already a top player there, big space. And then finally, what I think we can create together in secondaries, the credibility, the relationships that Ian and his team have in that marketplace, combined with our industry expertise, our access to capital, we think that we can build a world leader there over time as well.
I got to just say, just if I can jump in, just because I'm listening to Rob and I'm like, what a successful business you got there, Ian. It's not like you're stressed. You don't need to sell yourself. You're young. Succession isn't a problem. So why not stay independent? Why become part of KKR?
You and I have talked about the complexity of the private markets industry, how that industry is changing and maturing. When we started Arctos 5.5 years ago, our goal was to serve the best operators and owners in sports, and then to serve the best operators in private markets. And to really do that, we have to have capabilities that span insurance, wealth, data, global perspective. And as a 5.5-year-old firm, we've done a really good job, and we've built a really innovative platform. But the potential that our team has to really help transform and innovate in these markets is really only unlocked in a partnership like this. So we're really excited about the vision that we're going to be able to create and build together that wouldn't be possible for either of us on our own.
For sure.
Yeah, I was going to say also off the back of that, I mean, people have looked at this deal and they're like, KKR is adding sports. That tends to be the big headline. Of course, you're a leader in this space, but I wonder how much of that, Rob, goes beyond sports into secondaries and into GP Solutions too.
For sure. It's all three. And what we told our shareholders this morning is we believe together we're going to be able to build a $100+ billion business. And frankly, if we didn't believe that, we wouldn't have done the transaction. I think I speak for Ian. He would agree with that. If he didn't think that we can do that, I don't think he'd be interested in this partnership either.